Welcome to an innovative initiative, the result of a partnership between the Belgian government, the Bureau Diocésain des Œuvres Médicales de Kinshasa, and Agani Prosthetics. Through this collaboration, 3 containers have been transformed into a state-of-the-art workshop for the production of prosthetics and orthotics using 3D technology. This project, funded by a donation from the Belgian government, offers a sustainable and innovative solution to meet the needs of people with disabilities. These facilities, located in the heart of Kinshasa, house Prothea Congo, a workshop dedicated to the fast and cost-effective production of prosthetics and orthotics. This revolutionary system relies on 3D printing, enabling the creation of these devices at a fraction of the traditional cost and in much shorter time frames. In this space, patients are welcomed for an initial consultation. The necessary data, such as measurements and specific needs, is collected to personalize their prosthetics or orthotics. This process ensures that each patient receives a tailored and comfortable solution. Here in the tech box, technology comes to life. The collected data is used to design and 3D print custom prosthetics and orthotics. The IrisDick smart glasses allow us to maintain continuous communication with the Agani Prosthetics team for real-time technical support. The tech box is equipped with an energy backup system connected to solar panels and the electrical grid. This system provides up to 3 days of operational independence, ensuring uninterrupted work in all conditions. This space is dedicated to the adjustment and fitting of prosthetics and orthotics. Patients also receive rehabilitation sessions here, such as exercises to learn how to walk with their new devices. This holistic process ensures the prosthetics or orthotics are seamlessly integrated into the beneficiaries' daily lives. This project, designed and implemented by Agani Prosthetics, is a model of successful partnership to improve access to prosthetics and orthotics. Through this initiative, the Bureau Diocésain des Œuvres Médicales de Kinshasa and Prothea Congo are transforming lives, paving the way for similar collaborations worldwide.